Hello, my name is Dan Black. I am a consulting hypnotist. This is my second year of trying to run a personal and individual practice. That's also my second time returning to the NGH Convention to present, and I'm very excited about this year's conversation. Last year I spoke about how the first year experience was for a new hypnotist. This year, I'd like to continue that conversation and delve into some of the things that I've learned and some of the opportunities that I've had. In this time's talk, we'll talk about a magical journey into hypnosis and the power that it has in transforming clients and those around you. Also, I want to delve into some of the specific areas that I've learned to be successful in, such as regression hypnosis. Also, I learned to blend some different modalities and had some experience combining Reiki energy medicine with hypnosis that will be part of the conversation. Also this year, I spent quite a bit of time teaching classes at a local shop about hypnosis, different topics associated with hypnosis, things like past life regression or overcoming habits or self-hypnosis. Teaching classes will be kind of a conversation in my talk. And finally, maybe to balance that out with some of the frustrations I've had, the frustrations of having a client that didn't seem to improve and what we do with failures in the hypnotic world. And finally, the biggest struggle I found is actually attracting and finding clients. And in that regard, it would be great to have a group discussion with all of those that attend to talk a little bit more about that.